Meet the Laundry Butler System by Mr. Laundry, the most functional laundry accessory since the clothes dryer itself. No longer will you need a different rack for hanging, draping, and flat drying the garments too delicate to put in the dryer. Hi, I'm Angela. At Mr. Laundry, we had a vision to create one air drying system that could do it all and simplify the way we air dry clothes not meant for the dryer. This method will help reduce the items we take to the cleaners while preserving the life of all your clothing for years to come. No shrinking, no fading, no shoulder bumps, and no laundry day clutter. The Laundry Butler System. Let's dive in and see what makes our system so easy and so functional. The magic is really found in our multifunctional telescoping hangers. Each hanger will expand to fit any shirt or sweater, with the largest portion of the hanger supporting the heaviest part of the garment. It's the only device to give you the framework to reshape and the support to vertically flat dry all in one product. By doing this, your clothing dries shaped, smooth, and ready to wear. This revolutionary design eliminates shoulder bumps and garment disfiguration. And with 5 times the support of any standard hanger, this gives you the ability to take flat drying vertical. You can now dry multiple garments in the same space needed to typically dry just one. It also allows for air to flow within and around all garments, making for faster drying times without having to return and flip the garment. These hangers also cascade one to another, which means you can hang multiple hangers over a single door hook. It also doubles the capacity of the 5-hanger system. Next, we created collar stays to support all types of collars. These collar stays also double as drop supports for the removable garment rod. The rod provides versatility of draping or line drying garments. This removable feature allows the bar to be inserted through the straps of everything, from sports gear to delicates. No clothespins needed. Now that's clever. Okay, so let's talk about the garments that do require clothespins, like jeans, shorts, workout gear, children's clothing, even ball caps. We designed a unique patent-pending clothes clip like none other, the Click It clip. Its features make the process much faster. Simply click the garments and snap them on the rod. Or leave the clips on the rod for a super fast way to hang anything you can think of. With the Laundry Butler System, it is just that quick and easy. When not in use, the hangers can be stored in our travel bag with the smaller parts in the zipper pocket, or in a decorative basket beside the washer dryer. We set out to give you several options when using our hangers. If you prefer a wall mount option, we found that partnering our drying system with the Insta Hanger provides another choice to customize your hanging space. To fully optimize your space, try the Laundry Valet, a freestanding tension pole which can be used almost anywhere. So we've demonstrated the Laundry Butler's amazing functions, versatility, and simplicity. But what about its strength and durability? The hangers are manufactured using a durable, high-impact polymer, making them so strong we're confident you'll still be using them for decades to come. By taking advantage of our Kickstarter campaign, we're going to give you 25% off the retail price. Your online purchase allows us to partner with a local nonprofit organization where individuals with disabilities fulfill every order, providing jobs that increase their personal growth and independence. So there you have it, the Laundry Butler hangers that can be used indoors or out. The one system that accommodates all of your air drying needs. Organized, efficient, effective. Laundry Butler, where the air provides the care.